Hey guys, my name is Kendra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever video and I plan to be posting a lot more. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can see my lame videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And on to the video now. Today I will be doing a Zaful, not sure how it's pronounced, I'm sure everyone has their opinions on that, haul of some stuff I ordered just for like upcoming into fall, trying to clear out some of my summer items, and then a little bit of stuff for my trip to Australia coming up in October. Okay, so first up I have a white crop sweater. Pretty excited. Let's see here. How do you open these? There we go. Okay, cute. Looks like this. It's pretty soft. Looks like it might be like, I'm not sure if it's supposed to sit off the shoulder or not. Pretty cute though. I thought it'd be cute to pair with like black jeans and like combat boots, because you know we all love combat boots for fall. I think it'll fit. I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, so I definitely feel this was made for some smaller chested girls, but I mean it's fine. Here we are, rocking it. I feel like it could have been a little more fabric on it, but it's fine. Also not sure if it's supposed to be off the shoulder or not. Once again, it's fine. It's pretty comfy. Aside from like the slight itch every now and then, you're just like, why? Why do you do this? Other than that, I give it a 7 out of 10. So I think for this one, no bra was a good choice, because you can see the straps. I think it's meant to be worn a bit off. It's cute. I like it. Date night. A little bit of curly hair. Like I said, black jeans, the usual. I think it's super cute. Pretty impressed with this one. Not bad. Next is I kind of like went out of my comfort zone and got blue. So we'll see how that goes. Once again, black jeans. Kind of like, not sure how the front works, but we'll figure that one out too. The sleeves look really long, but maybe it's meant to be like that. And like, I think this unties. Oh, there we go. Okay, cute. I feel it. We'll find out with that one too. Alright, so I was super hesitant at first, but I actually am in love with this. And like when I first like saw it, I was like, oh, I feel like that's like one of those things that only looks good on those like models that like, you know, it's like one of those things you always see on Facebook and those advertisements. So I was like, I'll give it a shot. The sleeves are a bit big, but I think it's super cute. I like it. With like black combat boots for fall. Super cute. Next is I don't even remember what this is. Oh yeah. A striped t-shirt. Personally, like when I bought this, I had the idea of pairing it with like a jean jacket, and once again black jeans, because do I ever wear anything else? No. Pretty simple, pretty cute. It's a large though, because I know like you're supposed to like order big on Zaful, whatever, because like their sizes, like I've ordered bikinis off them and it's always like hit and miss, like a risk you're willing to take. But I think it'll be a perfect fit. I'm glad I went with a bigger size. I feel like a McDonald's commercial. I like the shirt. Probably not with these pants. And I never thought I'd see myself in stripes, but I'm digging it. Cute little pocket. And put a little mouse in here. You can just set. Yeah, I think the stripes are fine. I like this one better than the other one. It's comfy. It's cute and comfy. Cute and casual. Okay, more red. Who's ready for a swimsuit? Also got a red one piece because I'm going to Australia soon and I need more swimsuits because I literally don't have any. It's got like a cross back. But I feel like this one's like actually true to size this time. So we will see on the fit on that one. Give it a whirl. And red's super in right now too. It's like a pretty nice material too. I don't know if it'll fit in the chest, but I mean, that's why we try things on. Okay, so I low-key hate this. I wasn't quite sure how to tie it either. So when you're alone, you just make do. Probably never ordering another one piece again. Sticking to bikinis here. Yeah, that's it. I don't like it. Looks weird. Like, what is this? Why? Why? A pink thing, which I also don't remember. Oh yeah, pink sweater. Just like a crop sweater, but like different than the first white one, which is nice. This one looks a little bigger. Not sure about the bottom, how that's gonna sit, but we'll find out. Might be like a little too oversized, but. Alright, so this is the last one that I purchased and probably the one I was most excited for. And my favorite, because I've been looking for something pink like this forever. It is so cute. I love how it crops to give you like the perfect little cropped feel. I don't know. It's super cute, super comfy, fits perfect. Adore. Pants, because who doesn't love pants? Red pants. This would be cute with like a yellow. Oh, I dropped them. Nice. I feel like these might be a little big, but I always order super big on Zaful because like it's so hit and miss with everything. Yeah, try those two. And then I also got a yellow t-shirt that literally, what does it say on it? Oh, it says honey. For some reason I thought it said yellow. I was like, that's ironic. Super cute. It's got the red to match red pants. Kick it old school. Love it. It'd be cute like cropped. Put like a, won't stay. Put like a tie through it. I don't know. I've never seen myself in red and yellow. I think the pants are a little too big. But whatever. Probably not even worth the alteration. It makes sounds. Your freaking dog would always hear you. I like the shirt. It's super cute. I just tucked it into my bra. Looks cute down too. Or like tied. Or even at the back. I like it. I like the shirt for sure. Graphic tees are super cute. I'm gonna try on that other. Love it so much. And last but not least, I got another wait. Oh, it's a two-piece, right. That was really confusing for a second. I also think I just broke it. Wait. Okay, well this should be interesting. We'll see how that one goes. It's definitely it's like a two-piece. But I'm not quite sure about this top. It's got like a strap. But where does the strap go? What does the strap do? What is the strap's meaning? Who knows? Yeah, we'll see on that one. I don't know. Maybe it goes like a sash. Perfect. Okay, so I'm a little confused. A little disoriented. I feel like I'm straight out of the Jungle Book. But it's fine. So this is like, it's cute, but I don't think it's really me. And I feel like I would definitely flash a lot of young children. It's fine. It is what it is, you know. I mean, it'd be cute on someone who had smaller boobs. Can't relate, but super cute. And yeah, that's that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my Zaful, however it's pronounced, haul. I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the post notifications. I'll have new videos out every Wednesday and Sunday. Overall, I would give Zaful probably an 8 out of 10. Just some of their clothes were like hit and miss. A lot of them were hit though. I'm really in love with this one sweater if you can't tell. I would definitely recommend to like read the reviews before you buy, because like I didn't, and like there's people who will tell you like to size up, size down. I was just like, oh, size up, you know, I've heard all the rumors. Other than that, I'd say it was pretty successful.